So this next coin we're going to talk about deserves a bit more attention. This thing has been running tremendously, and I've been noticing it up in the top cryptos by searching the last 24 hours in terms of momentum. So let's take a look at Helium or HNT in this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or follow me on X wherever you're watching. And let's take a look at how this thing is going to enter beast mode. So this is it. Helium price could enter beast mode, technicals suggest. So we'll take a look at some of the technicals and talk about its amazing performance as well. So it's rose for the last 3 consecutive days. So jump to the crucial resistance level of about 9.5 cents on Sunday, which today, up about 228% from August lows. So this thing has been happening. The rally has been happening as data from futures market has showed that the open interest was up in a strong uptrend. CoinGlass shows the interest rose to over $11 million on Sunday, up from last week's low of 9.35 million. So, significant rise there. So open interest is showing, so that is the look at the number of unfilled call and put orders in the futures market. So if you do, if you play with futures whatsoever, you'll understand this, but the metric often rises when an asset is seeing strong demand. The number of burnt HNT tokens has also continued to rise after the last few months. November, it stood at about 250,000 HNT, usually burned to access data credits to use the network, and obviously that has been in strong demand as well. So that's a ton of tokens burned, and they must be really raking in the revenue, in my opinion, if that's the case. The daily chart we're looking at here, so this is their daily. We can see here we've got some points here on the chart to basically signify some key levels here. So it jumped from $5.22 earlier this month to about $9.52 today. It failed to move above their target on December 2nd and December 7th, and then it obviously has done that today. So it's sitting above the key support level of $8.66. So we're still well above that. It also has remained above the 50 and 25-day moving averages, which is really important as well. So this is signaling it could potentially run up even further. A clear break above the resistance level of 952 will invalidate the triple bottom pattern that we saw on the charts and point to more gains. The next point to watch is about $11, so that's about an 18% rise above current levels. And a break above that, we could see almost clear sailing to about $20. There's not a whole heck of a lot of resistance in there. Obviously, there'll be a little bit of price action, a little bit of pullbacks and things like that, but there's not a ton of resistance till about the $20 mark. So Helium has been around since 2013. This is one that has been, it's been around for a while. And we can see here, I'm just going to run down here. All-time high was 3 years ago at $55. So when I say that $20, there's not much resistance there. There is some technicals to back that up. It's still down about 83% from its all-time high. So that is something that we are keeping an eye on. Take a look at this chart, guys. We are back, back to levels that we saw back in the last little bit of a bull run we had at the first of the year. And, this thing is getting ready to fly, in my opinion. I think that we're not giving it as much credit as it deserves. It's definitely one that we've been seeing as a very strong player in the market. So I'm going to keep my eye on Helium. If we get, a bit of a pullback, I might actually put another position in on it. I did do a little bit of swing trading on it. It's been pretty fairly reliable, but not financial advice whatsoever, because this is cryptocurrency and anything can happen. So thanks so much for tuning into this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.